I am trying to edit the WooCommerce template files in Oxygen Builder. I just giving a simple demo. I build a single product layout with Oxygen Builder. I just want to change the heading, related product heading. So in the template single product page, have a related product.php file, and inside this file have that heading. So I want to change it, but Oxygen Builder is not using the theme, so it is very tough to edit the core plugins template file from the themes file. This reason I created a blank plugin where I can edit the Oxygen Builder. This is my free custom plugin. You can download this from GitHub. I already download the zip file and upload via my dashboard. Also I added another plugin, WP File Manager. Using this plugin I am control my all plugins folder. You can use this plugin or you can log in via server using FTP or cPanel. Okay, in my plugin I created a new folder, includes. Inside the includes folder have a helpers.php file. Right now this php file is blank. Inside this php file I shall add my custom code. So I am going to my plugins folder, includes folder, and opening the helper.php file. Right now it is blank. I am already published this snippet, so I am copying the code from here and directly pasting here. Now I am saving the file. What I did, I targeted the WC get template and WC get template part filters. Using this filter I am changing the default WooCommerce template path, and I call this template path from my plugins folder. So in my plugins folder I shall create a WooCommerce folder, and this WooCommerce folder I shall put my all templates file. So closing my this file. Right now my folder have no WooCommerce folder. I shall create one, WooCommerce. Okay. Now I want to change the headline of related product. So this file is locating in template single product.php product folder related.php file. So I am copying this file and pasting my folder, WooCommerce folder, creating this single product. Inside this folder I am pasting the file. Now I am opening the file and editing the text. Now I am refreshing the single product page, and you can see the magic. It is a simple demo. So this way you can easily edit the WooCommerce template file from any custom plugin. If you are already using the custom plugin, so you can avoid my plugin, just copy the snippet and put in your plugin, it will work. So just this simple code will override the WooCommerce template.